Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding without egg. First, gather your essential ingredients: milk, sugar, a thickening agent like cornstarch or flour, and your chosen flavorings such as vanilla extract or cocoa powder. Ensure you have a medium saucepan and a whisk ready for the cooking process. Having everything prepped makes the steps much smoother and more enjoyable. To begin, combine your dry ingredients, like sugar and cornstarch, in a saucepan. Whisk them well to ensure there are no clumps. Next, pour in about 1/4 of your cold milk or liquid, stirring constantly to create a smooth, lump-free paste. Once smooth, gradually add the rest of the liquid, mixing until fully combined before placing it on the stove. Place your saucepan over medium heat and stir continuously with a whisk. This constant motion prevents scorching and ensures even thickening. As the mixture heats, it will begin to bubble gently and thicken significantly. Continue cooking for about 1 to 2 minutes after it starts to boil or until it coats the back of a spoon. Then, remove it from the heat. After removing the pudding from the heat, stir in any final flavorings, such as vanilla extract or a pat of butter for richness. Pour the warm pudding into individual serving bowls or a larger dish. Cover the surface with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours until it's completely set and chilled. Finally, remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.